Today we're talking about how to find the right audience for your product using AI. Just imagine you could talk to thousands of people and ask them why they're buying a certain product, and all it took was just a couple of minutes. That would be amazing, won't it? So that's what we're going to talk about today, and I'm going to show you how to get this done. Let's get into today's video. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Farah. I'm an Amazon seller and I run a private label brand on Amazon. Been doing this for over 15 years. I talk about products and advertising on Amazon and all the opportunities and challenges that come with it. I love finding great solutions and sharing them here on this channel. So if you're interested in that, please do hit subscribe. So Amazon product research is getting more complex and there is so much data that's available, but we need better insights to be able to make decisions that makes sense for our business. You know, the old way of just buying a truckload of generic product and importing it and dumping it in the FBA and just hoping for the best is not working out. The profitability is just not there to support that business model anymore. We need better processes, and that's where today's sponsor VOC.AI comes in. Their review analysis feature gives us these insights that make so much sense and really tune into those key customer behaviors and product insights that would, take you months to find manually, hours and hours of research and reading reviews yourself. It will just fry your brain. But now that we have AI, we can do this within minutes. So what VOC.AI does is it gives you a deep review analysis from a product page itself or a niche or market you want to explore. And that's what I'm going to do in today's video. I'm going to generate the report with you guys in the tutorial just coming up in a minute. And you can see how helpful it is. It actually breaks it down into different sections on key customer attributes, where the gap in the market is, and it actually shows you like which people are buying the product, like are parents buying it for their children or friends buying for each other. These are the insights that will take you hours and hours to find and then make sense of and plot it into your spreadsheet. It just takes away all that work and it gives you a nice report which is built into sections, and you can just use it and come up with your next big product idea or use it to find the audience for a product idea that you're developing. This is something that was not available for Amazon sellers for a long time, and now that I've come across it, I think this changes product research for sellers, because for such a long time we've been relying on just importing product and putting it on the market and relying on ads and search volume to drive traffic to it, where now we can develop products that based on insights and actual customer behavior. And that's what I'm so excited to show you guys today. So let's get to my screen and I'm going to show you how to generate this report and how to read it. And do stay till the end of the video, because I'm actually going to show you how to use this in your business, because it's all well and good to have all this data and insights, but you actually have to know how to use it, right? So let's get to my screen and let's have a look at the report. Here we are, guys. We're going to use Nutrition Geeks listing and their Lion's Mane supplement to run the review analysis feature with VOC.AI. What we're going to do is we're going to just copy the ASIN, go to VOC.AI dashboard, paste that in here. Make sure you select the right marketplace. We are selected the UK marketplace, and then you just click on search and it will create the report for you. And if you guys want to sign up to VOC.AI, please use my code displayed here on the screen. It's also in the description below with the link. So let's get back to the report that we've run for this supplement. On the listing, you can see here that their ratings are 2,620, but the reviews over here are 298. So this report is reviewing 163 number of reviews that are over the past 2 years, okay? With the kind of sales that these guys are doing. So this is just from Amazon. They 10,000 plus were bought past month. These reviews
will give you the insight into these customers that are buying this product in tens of thousands every month. Okay, so there is a complete customer profile. So just check this out.
So, who are they? A friend, mother, partner, neighbor? When are they using it? It's in morning, every day. Positive and negative is represented by green and red. So, where are they using it? Gym, university? What are they using for? What's the motivation there to purchase? So, all of this is represented in here. You can click on view detail and actually read the reviews and find the experience that's mentioned, and it's sorted.
And that's just, you know, the customer profile. When you look at the usage scenario, so use these tabs to move yourself down. So 24% of the customers have experienced improved conversation, mental clarity, relaxation, mental sharpness from taking the supplement. Now,
If you look at other usage scenarios, endurance improvement, focus improvement, immune boost, just 16%, and general well being. These are all the reasons why people are using it, and it all points to a customer who wants to be productive and active. That's the main reason they're using this product for. Let's check out a few other tabs. So, customer sentiment, why did they leave a negative review? What is the topic of it? So, 40% of the customers found it ineffective and they left a comment. So, that is a big percentage of unhappy customers.
that's what the customers are saying. So some people, 13.3%, are finding it hard to swallow. The pill is too big, the capsule is too big. Some people are experiencing heartburn, upset stomach. So these are the reasons for the negative feedback. And this is something that you have to address, the seller has to address.
At the bottom of each section, where relevant, you will find an AI summary, which is quite helpful.
Let's look at the buyer's motivation.
So, usage scenario was where they were using it, and now buyer's motivation is the people who've had a positive experience. Why did they do? And let's quantify it. So, quality and value, that's what people found, and it's nearly 58% of the people. They had energy boost, they liked the taste and value for the product. Happy people, and then other reasons are cognitive boost and overall health. So, happy people, and you know why. Again, you get an AI summary of key reasons why people were motivated to buy this product.
Another insight, that's customer expectation.
So, people who bought this product have certain needs that are still unmet. First, prime of them is immune support. That is an unmet need. It's not addressing this enough. This product is not addressing it enough. So that's where the manufacturer needs to improve its product, provide better immune support, more improved focus.
Customers hope for more support for micro medicinals and to boost their immune system.
I mean, this is a specific unmet need, and that is highlighted by this AI report. So the AI summary tells you the exact unmet needs and how people are perceiving it and where they want improvement. It details it all for you. So overall, AI summary insights address each section of your business. So product selection, how to take care of your operation optimization, what to do in the product design, marketing promotion, customer feedback. So all aspects of your business are addressed. And it tells you, this report, how to use all this data and implement in your business, improve your product by focusing on mushroom supplements and address immune support. People want that. People want easy to swallow capsules, so product design improvement. Let's look here. It does say easy to swallow, but actually customers have disagreed with this. So room for improvement, doesn't mention immune support, so room for improvement. So what do you guys think? Amazing, isn't it? Like, now that we have learned all this valuable information about the unmet need of the customers who are already buying this product in thousands, and the key customer attributes, what kind of people are they? I'm going to talk about now, like, where to find these people so you can build an audience for your new developing concept, and how to use this information in your business actually. So think in terms of, okay, where do these customers hang? People who are productive, are in work, are focused on having mental clarity. I think these kind of people are hanging on LinkedIn, Reddit, right? So they're obviously probably not on Facebook aimlessly scrolling for leisure. So those are the platforms you'll focus on, and what you can do is create valuable content around the keyword lion's mane, because remember that was the main keyword that we searched to find this product. And remember that this product is actually selling in thousands, and the reviews show us that people are really, really interested and they're using it for that, particular key need, that they want to improve their cognitive function and improve their productivity to be able to perform better at their work, in their business, or whatever, in workouts. So you can talk about the value that your developing product is bringing to the market and how you are dealing with it, and build an organic value-based audience for your new product concept. That's one way to use this information. Another way you can use this report is improve the product by focusing on improved cognitive function and immune support. That's what people mentioned that this product wasn't doing. So that's an unmet need that your developing product can serve. So these are like a couple of ways that you can use these report insights to develop a better product, to attract an audience to your new product concept. One of the new brands that I have seen using this, developing an organic audience for their new brand, is Superboba. It's by Vanessa Lau. I don't know if you guys have heard of her, but she's a famous YouTuber. And so I've been following her on Instagram. You can also go follow her. And if you just look at her posts and reels, you will see that she's been, really using key insights. She is developing the product in a way where it's value-based, okay? She's not just selling that, okay, I'm making this, boba tea and buy my product. No, it's value-based. She's talking about lion's mane and how she is, serving those needs of the customers who are looking to improve their, focus and productivity and just be better at their jobs. So do go follow her, look at the reels and tell me what you guys think. I think this is something that's very, very inspirational. I've been following it for a while, so I know that her partner used to be an Amazon FBA, but that's why it makes it so interesting that they are building something off Amazon and building it in an organic way and, just doing it slowly, but they are doing it on a solid foundation, on something for themselves. So let me know what you guys think about VOC.AI and today's video. Let me know in the comments below. Remember to use the link in the description and my discount code to get a great deal. And that's all from me today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.